Welcome to my new listing at 28197 Camino del Rio in San Juan Capistrano, California. This property resides behind the private gated community of San Juan Hills Estate. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and boy, is it upgraded. You have large plank solid wood floors, you have custom lighting fixtures. The millwork in this property is outstanding. Just wait till you see the office. It is overboard. It's absolutely gorgeous. But what I love most about this property is its location. You're in a premium location with one of the larger lots in Campanilla, and every single one of the rooms has stunning views of the rolling hills of San Juan Capistrano. This house is absolutely amazing. I know you're gonna love it. Let's take the tour. Isn't this the most spectacular view? It's just stunning. My name is Audra Lambert. Thanks for taking this tour. If you have interest in scheduling an appointment, please contact me, 949-697-2232.